course, another event people are talking about, St. Patrick's Day.
Of course.
And it's going to be
the
nice.
weather's going to be nice. I know. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to be outside enjoying it. It is going to be beautiful out there. Temperatures warming up. It's almost going to feel a little bit like summer, getting close to that 80 degree mark. Today's just the beginning. We're going to bring it up to 70 today with lots of sunshine, but take a look at what's coming in the 5-day forecast. Tomorrow, even warmer. It's going to be a windy day, but at least it's going to be nice and warm, 79 degrees and mostly sunny. Sunday looks just as nice. Another sunny one and another very warm one with your high up to 78. On Monday, we have a little bit of a change here. We do have some rain moving in by the afternoon, but still nice and mild, 75 degrees to kick off your work week. And then that rain moves through, and by Tuesday, the sunshine is back out and temperatures staying very spring-like. So not a major cool down here behind that rain, 69 on Tuesday. Not too bad.
Looks absolutely gorgeous, Amy.
It does.
I cannot wait.
Me too.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Nice to have you with us today, Missouri.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, and thank you for being with us this morning. We hope you have a wonderful weekend. And before we leave you this morning, we're going to take a look back at some of the positive.
Let's go! It's a big world, and now we're loving this town. It's our turn, so put your hands up. Don't be scared, take a chance. Come on, give me your hand. It's time to laugh, time to smile. Now let's get